What's up, YouTube? It's Gideon here, and today I'm back. You guys have been asking for me, so I'm back. I'm taking my time off. I have a 3-day weekend, so I'm taking my time off. So today we are gonna make our green bean alicha. So what you will need for this recipe is olive oil, onions, green beans, carrots, salt, and pepper. So let's get started, guys. Alright, let's start up the flame. We already put some olive oil up in there, and we already put our onion. So let's start sauteing these onions. Wait until the onions are golden brown, guys. Okay guys, now we are gonna add our carrots, which I specially cut because what you really need to do is get into these peel forms, so like it gives it a bite, you know. So we'll just add our carrots in and we'll stir that around. Alright guys, we'll come back to you once everything is fully cooked. Alright guys, so we are almost done. We're just gonna let the green beans cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and then we'll get this plate. Alright guys? So you guys might be asking, like, why was mom cooking most of it? Well, because mom's teaching me this dish. It's my first time cooking this, so I hope it turns out well. Alright guys, so this is our food. This is the green bean and carrot alicha. So let's go ahead and try this. Got a little bite right here. Real spicy. All you vegans will love this. Trust me. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and tell us how you feel about this video in the comments. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to Lovely Eden.